Every factory has one place you're never allowed to see. But today, you're about to step inside. This button controls the heart of the entire factory. The door opens to the restricted zone, where the real magic happens.
Here, machines work faster than 50 humans combined. Every move is perfectly calculated, precision at its finest.
Each product is inspected by AI lasers. Nothing escapes. See how every part finds its exact place.
The welding process, mesmerizing and precise. Every gear moves like a perfectly choreographed dance.
This is the floor where hundreds of processes happen simultaneously.
And yet, one person can control the entire floor.
Every item is double-checked before moving to packaging. Packaging is automated, flawless, and satisfying.
And this is the machine that nobody outside sees. Tomorrow, we'll see it in full action.
Can you imagine the scale of this operation? Next video, we dive even deeper. Stay tuned.